Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video of Logging It, I will be showing you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam issue. So for that, open the WhatsApp and you are not being able to log in into the account. I will briefly describe you what you can do if you're having this issue. If you receive these error messages, it means your phone number has been banned from using the service. This can happen for a number of reasons, including spamming others using or sending too many messages in short period of time. So I'll briefly explain you what you can do to fix this issue. If you're seeing this message, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp, it's likely because your phone number has been banned by WhatsApp. This can happen for a number of reasons, including using a third-party app to access WhatsApp, sending too many messages or calls, or spamming other user. So if your phone number has been banned, you won't be able to create a new WhatsApp account with that same number. So what you can do is you can use a different phone number when registering for the WhatsApp. So if you're currently using a SIM card, all we can recommend is getting a new one. So if you're seeing this message, so what you can basically do is you can try uninstalling the WhatsApp application and then reinstall it once more. If that does not work, deleting and recreating your WhatsApp account should do the trick. Even if you're having the issue of not being able to access your WhatsApp, you can always contact WhatsApp directly for the assistance or support or help. Hope this information was useful for you. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.